Hello viewers, welcome to Adbandhan YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohad Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make manual changeover wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Changeover switch, home load, RCCB circuit breaker, voltage stabilizer, single phase energy meter, phase connection to energy meter, neutral connection to energy meter input, neutral connection output from energy meter and connect to RCB neutral point, phase connection output from energy meter to connect with RCCB, phase connection outgoing from RCCB and connect to voltage stabilizer, phase connection outgoing from voltage stabilizer to connect with changeover switch, phase connection from changeover switch to connect with RCCB and voltage stabilizer line short. Phase connection from changeover switch to home load. Neutral connection from RCCB to connect voltage stabilizer. Neutral connection from voltage stabilizer to connect changeover switch. Neutral connection from changeover switch to connect RCCB and voltage stabilizer common connection with short. Neutral connection from changeover switch to home load. Now this circuit is ready for use. Viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend and to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.